Hey YouTubers, today we have a quick video how to install and remove the batteries on your Cycrown e-bike. But before we get started, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get after it. To install the smaller lower battery, what you want to do is make sure that you get the battery hooked in here like this. So you're going to place the battery in like this and then slide it downward. And then for the upper battery, you're going to do the same. But this one's pretty critical because you want to make sure that it's engaged like that and locked, or else while you're riding, it may slide off. And match up the number on the key to the number on the lock, and then lock the battery in place like that. That puts the tumbler and locks it in place so it won't come off. And the same thing for the lower battery. I have that locked in place, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn those on like that. And up on the screen, I'm going to hold the M button. That will turn the screen on, and hit the plus button, and then I can use the throttle to take off. Now, to remove the batteries, what you'll want to do is shut the power off on each of the batteries, and you're going to use the key to unlock them. And then you will push up. Sometimes if it's stuck, you may have to push here on the bottom to get it to be removed. And then you'll see that battery removes very easily. Now the upper one, what you'll want to do is unlock it. And then sometimes it's hard to get it moving, and then just kind of push forward from the back end here to get it out of those engagement clips. And there you have it. I have that battery removed. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.